monkey to explore. Are you listening, Aria? Like that shiny silver pole in the corner. Where did that pole go? George was curious. Where is the pole? Here is that pole. Where did that pole go? Why? It went back downstairs. There was the great big fire truck. There was a map of the city, and there was a whole wall full of coats and hats and big black boots. Where's the big black boots? Yeah, boots, coats, hats, truck, fire truck. George had an idea. First, he stepped into the pair of boots. Next, he picked out a helmet. And finally, George put on a jacket. Look, he put a jacket. He was a firefighter. Suddenly, boom! The firefighters all rushed in. "This is not my helmet," said one. "My boots are too big," said another. "Hurry, hurry," called the fire chief. A bright red light on the map of the city told him just where the fire was. Huh?
Where the fire chief?
Fire?
Fire chief.